class, we shall be covering 3 advanced forms of tenses. The perfect continuous tense. So, number 1, the present perfect continuous tense. The second, past perfect continuous tense. And the third, future perfect continuous tense. So, let's begin with the first one, and that is the present perfect continuous tense. Now, the present perfect continuous tense refers to action that started in the past, they were not over that time, and now in the present also that unfinished action is still going on. For example, I have been waiting for Raj since 10 a.m. Let's assume it's 11 o'clock now, and 1 hour before I started waiting for him, and I'm still waiting for him. He still hasn't turned up. So I say, I have been waiting for Raj since 10 a.m. Or she has been sleeping since the past 2 hours. When did she sleep? 2 hours before, and now in the present also she is still sleeping. Don't know when she'll get up. So this is the way we form the present perfect continuous tense. So what is the structure? It is the subject plus have been or has been, and plus if it is continuous, the ing word will definitely come over there. So if it is I, you, we, they, it will be have been ing, have been working, have been sleeping, have been dancing. If it is he, she, it will be he, she, it, has been, and the ing word. Now, few examples in front of you indicating the present perfect continuous tense in sentences. So let's have a look at that. So all these sentences indicate that these actions even now are still going on. For example, let's take Shilpa has been studying since morning, and now also she is studying. Then we have been living in Mumbai since 2015. So when did we start living? 2015, and now in the present also we are still living in Mumbai, and so on. You can just look at the other sentences. Now, number 2, the past perfect continuous tense. It talks about an ongoing action in the past till another event or till another action again in the past. For example, I had been waiting for 2 hours before Raj arrived. And how do we form the past perfect continuous tense? The subject doesn't matter, I, you, we, he, it, she, they, plus had been followed by the ing word. So let's look at a few examples to make this concept absolutely clear. I had been studying when my friend rang up. So what did we say? I'm discussing the ongoing action that I had been studying when my friend rang up. And so the others also, the field was wet because it had been raining heavily. So everywhere you can see the green highlighted portion indicates the past perfect continuous tense. Now let us move on to the third one, and that is the future perfect continuous tense. Number 3, the future perfect continuous tense. This tense talks about ongoing actions in the future till another event in the future. So again, we have 2 future events. Okay. For example, when I turn 20, I will have been playing tennis for 10 years. So again, 2 future events. I'm not yet 20. When I turn 20, that's a future. Then I will have been playing tennis for 10 years. And what is the structure of future perfect continuous tense? It is the subject, again, no difference, whatever it is, plus will have been followed by the ing word. Let us look at few more examples of the future perfect continuous tense. By 2025, the show will have been completing 10 years. So the others are there. Next year, I will have been teaching for 30 years, and so are the other examples. Now, the future perfect continuous tense is more of a formal tense which we use while writing, formal writing. Mostly when you speak, people hardly remember to use the future perfect continuous tense. But yes, when you're writing it formally, you need to remember. So these were all the three tenses that we covered today. Just a short activity, the exercise for you, wherein you have to either fill in the present perfect continuous or the past perfect continuous or the future perfect continuous. Fill in the blanks, and then after you finish doing that, just have a look at the answers. So, with this, we've covered up all the 12 different types of tenses. So, you need to again watch all the videos so that your knowledge and your concept of all the tenses is absolutely clear. So, with this, we shall say goodbye.